Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another cooking recipe, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate cupcake in a mug. It will take exactly 2 minutes to cook in a microwave and it tastes amazing, and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. So let's see the ingredients without any further delay, shall we? Okay, first of all you will need a large mug like this, which is deep, so that it will be easier for you while mixing. Next, add all the ingredients inside the cup except your chocolate chips and milk and give it a good mix. Next, add your chocolate chips and milk and mix it until the mixture is nice and smooth. Once the cupcake mixture is done, microwave it for exactly 2 minutes in 700 watt. And after 2 minutes, your delicious cupcake is ready to eat. Please give it a try. It tastes amazing and I'm pretty sure you will love this recipe. And that's all for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.